As I was saying, if you have your location services turned off, so if you go into settings, right? You go into your location, you have to make sure that this is on, right? You got to make sure that this is turned on. If it's not turned on, you go to date and time, right? You're not going to be able to set time zone automatically because you're not sharing your location. So how is your PC going to know what time zone to use, right? So that's a thing to keep in mind. You want to make sure that your location services are turned on. That is what you want to do to get the correct time and date. That's all you got to do. All you got to do, man. You go privacy. Oh, shit. You go location, privacy settings. Okay? That's what you do. You go location for this device is on. Make sure that's on. And then you go back. You go adjust date and time. That should show. That should show now. I had this problem for about a month, maybe longer. I was like, what's going on here? There's got to be something wrong. I knew it was something, but I couldn't really figure out what it was until I realized it had to do something. It had something to do with my location services not being turned on properly. So make sure that's on. Set time zone automatically. There you go.